Let's take a look at this video from a very dreary Haddonfield this morning. You can see the fog there lingering in the background. We've had a lot of days with fog recently. Grant, I mean, it's just gloomy.
And, you know, it's one thing when you have fog in the morning and then it clears out and sunshine comes into the afternoon. But you're right, Jim. I mean, several days of just this really persistent fog, dense fog. In fact, live view. This is a live look at Center City right now where the fog is dense. Just like yesterday, we have visibilities in many places down to less than a mile. But not all fog is created equal, and let's explain why we've been seeing this fog out there. Believe it or not, maybe you knew this, 6 different types of fog. We've got steam fog, upslope fog, radiation fog, advection fog, ice fog, and frontal fog. What we're working with today is advection fog, and what we've been working with for the last probably about 72 hours or so. Let's talk about this advection fog because it's part and parcel due to, well, the snow that we got last week. So I want to zoom out here and I want to show you what's been occurring. Obviously, we got the snow, the cold air that arrived Friday, and we've been warming up since then, but we still have some lingering fog or snow on the ground, right? And that lingering snow is acting like an ice box, and it's keeping relatively cold air near the surface. Now, over the last couple of days, while we've had this lingering snow and the cold air near the surface, we've had this warm air trying to surge up from the south. And that layer of warm air is riding up and over that thin layer of cold air near the surface. And that layer of cold air near the surface is cooling and condensing that relatively warm and moist air. And when that occurs, the atmosphere and the water vapor in the atmosphere condenses, producing the clouds, or when that occurs on the ground, producing the fog. And we've seen that across the entire area for what seems like almost 3 days straight. And take a look at this here, because that's exactly what's occurring at the noon hour. That warm and moist southwesterly flow is riding up and over that lingering fog near, or snow near the surface, producing the fog. Temperatures are at 52 in Philly. Look at Dover, 64 degrees. Meanwhile, even the Poconos temperatures are in the 50s right now, and there you go. You've still got that layer of cold air near the surface, and you've got the fog across the area. Visibility is down to less than a mile in many places from Philly to Reading. Lancaster, your visibility is a big goose egg now, near 0 mile visibility, and there you go. The view from Center City. It is just a dreary, dreary start to our afternoon. And I haven't even talked about the rain yet out there, have I? 52 degrees right now. We have light rain falling across the area. Dew point's near 52. Temperatures at 52. That means the temperatures drop down to the dew point. The atmosphere is saturated. It is just a dreary day. Those light showers are going to continue falling. We're seeing those few light showers moving across the region right now. More rain to the south and west. In fact, I think more of a steady shower arriving later on tonight before that system, which is moving through the Mississippi Valley, will work through the region, eventually bringing us a little bit of clearing as we go through tomorrow afternoon. Between now and then, though, it's kind of more of the same. Dreary conditions out there, light showers persisting. As we go through around 7 or 8 o'clock, we might start to see a little bit more moderate showers moving through South Jersey into Delaware, maybe even the Philly area getting clipped by that more persistent rainfall. Overnight tonight, on and off light showers. Southwesterly flow continuing. We'll start tomorrow morning with temperatures in the mid-40s. We're going to make a run at temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60, but once this cold front moves through, our winds will begin to shift to the west, and that will start to usher in slightly cooler air for tomorrow night, and then even cooler air arriving as we go into the weekend. But temperatures today will level off there in the low and mid 50s with that on and off shower continuing throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Fog and mist otherwise. So if you're not getting that rain, you're still probably going to find some mist out there in the sky. And then tonight we'll start to see those steady showers slowly taper off. Areas of fog, temperatures near 48 degrees. We'll see a few trailing showers tomorrow morning. High temperatures tomorrow will be near 60. Before we start to cool it off again through the weekend. Quick check on the weekend forecast. 54 Saturday, dry conditions before more rain and maybe a wintry mix moves in as we go into early Monday morning. Jim, the active pattern just continues, doesn't it?
A little bit of everything. Thank you, Grant. Appreciate it.